What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Now, I know it's been quite a long time since I've even uploaded a video, and I've been pretty busy. I've been doing a lot of different things on TikTok, testing different products out there, especially on TikTok ads. But in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a very good supplier that you guys need to be using, especially in 2022. And you're going to be able to get anywhere from 5 to 8 days shipping times if you're shipping to the United States, and they even ship worldwide. And first off, before I even get into this supplier, I need you guys to understand exactly why we want to use these types of suppliers and why we want to stay away from Aliexpress. So let's get right into the video. So the main reason as to why we want to stay away from Aliexpress is because they have very unreliable and slow shipping times. And not only that, a lot of these suppliers on here, they don't respond, and if you have a dispute about an order, they're just not going to help you or just take forever to respond. And if you guys can see right here, the shipping times, today's January 6th, and it said its estimated delivery is February 6th. So you're looking at anywhere from a month to 2 month shipping times with Aliexpress, and that's why you guys want to stay away from Ali and have an actual supplier or agent that you can personally work with. That way you have reliable and fast and cheaper shipping time. And obviously, if a customer has to wait a month to 2 months in 2022 for a product, they're not going to be very happy, and they're probably going to do a chargeback, which is going to lose you money. And so I found USA Drop, which is an American-made Chinese fulfillment center in China, and they actually get 5 to 8 days shipping times if you're shipping to the US, and they also ship worldwide as well. So if you're looking to sell to different countries for your products, they're going to be able to help you out. The big thing about them, if you guys have worked with Aliexpress before and have sent out packages to customers using them, they always have Chinese lettering on the tracking and packages, which can be a big turnoff for the customers when they receive it, because they're just going to think, oh well, these people literally went on Aliexpress and they sent me this cheap product from China, or I could have just went on there and bought it for that much, but now you're charging me 3 to 4x of what I could have got it for. So they eliminate all of that, so there's no types of Chinese characters on the packaging or labels. That way you can look like a legitimate business and you don't have any type of confusion when the customer receives the package. Another thing too that this fulfillment center has is a bunch of different carriers that they work with: USPS, FedEx, UPS, and that is going to get you the best cheap and reliable shipping times, cheap and fast reliable shipping times. But these guys have a pretty big portfolio of all the different carriers that they use, so they're going to be very reliable in terms of getting a package to your customer's house on time and in one piece. Another thing that's pretty awesome about them, and a lot of different fulfillment centers or suppliers don't do, is that they provide you winning and trending products every week to month. And this is something that I think is very essential, especially for new dropshippers. There's a lot of different tools out there where you have to spend anywhere from $20 to $50 a month just to do some product research. But with these guys, you don't have to worry about that. They literally give you products that are doing well right from the source, and they're going to know because they literally work directly with suppliers that know what products are having a lot of sales volume, or getting a lot of orders. And not only that, you're going to be able to get a personal agent to work with you, so there's no like support team that you have to wait on and stuff. Like a representative that I talk to, she responds very quickly. There's no language barriers, and sometimes when you're trying to do product research, you might find a product that really don't know if you could source it or not. You can't really find it. With them on Aliexpress, they can source. They have a ton of different sourcing options and suppliers that they work with. They're going to be able to go out and source that for you because of all their different connections. Another thing that makes them stand out is that they actually do video ads for your product. So they record different videos of your product that you guys can use in order to test them. And I think that's really cool, because instead of you trying to get the product and send it over to somebody on Fiverr or Billo, where it can get pretty expensive, they do it all with them. Like, it's a one-stop shop. So let's say they give you a winning product that you want to test. All you have to do is be like, hey, I want to have some different video ads to test for this product, and they can do it very easily just like that. So there really isn't a big process that you have to go through in order to get this product sent out and get video ads done for it. That's why I think this company is very good if you're the type of person that wants to rapid test and find winning products very quickly. And if you guys did not know, the Chinese New Year is just around the corner. It starts around the end of January and the beginning of February. And if you guys did not know, around this time of Chinese New Year, suppliers aren't going to be there to fulfill your products. They're not going to be there to answer any questions and stuff like that. They're going to be completely out. So you want to have inventory of your product, and what they're allowing people to do is have a 30% down payment to get 100% of that inventory. So let's say you had 30%. So let's say you put down $3,000 worth of inventory. they're going to give you $100,000 worth of that inventory ready to go for that time period of when the suppliers are out. And that, I think that's very big, because we don't want any type of delays with our shipping times. If you do, then customers are going to get confused, and some of them are going to do chargebacks, which is going to make us lose money. So that's a very cool feature that they have, and I think a lot of other fulfillment centers don't really do. So to really recap, with USA Drop, you're going to be getting 5 to 8 day shipping to the United States along with worldwide shipping. They're an American-made supplier within China. There's no Chinese or tax on any of their packages. Fourthly, they work with tons of different suppliers and carriers out there for the fastest and most reliable shipping. And lastly, probably my most favorite, is that they give you winning products on a weekly and monthly basis, along with them being able to create video ads for your products and get you out there and start testing rapidly. Other than that, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and got some value out of it. Make sure you check out usadrop.com. These guys are really going to help you out with any type of sourcing that you have, especially if you're a new drop shipper. And like I said, in 2022, you do need these types of fulfillment centers and suppliers to work with. Other than that, you're going to be stuck with using Aliexpress, and you can't build an actual sustainable business with Ali. So with that being said, I'll put them down in the comment section and also in my description down below. Make sure you check them out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.